Okay, well, good evening, everyone, and good morning. The current time here in Chattanooga is 12:02 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and we are dealing with a lot of things in the weather department. We're going to follow up on the latest winter weather stories, including some of the newest developments that we have going on weather-wise across a portion of southeast and extending from the Ohio Valley down a bit southward. So I will say that we've had quite a bit of active weather weeks here recently, and it turns out now that we're continuing to do so as we go through the next few days. Let me go ahead and show you my screen of what I've got going on right now, and let me go ahead and do a full screen take here and give you a really good clue of what I'm seeing as far as forecast situations are concerned. Now, right now, this is the latest weather radar picture here, and as you can see, we are totally clear across all of the Tennessee Valley. We're not seeing a lot going on right now, or I'm not seeing a lot going on right now. It looks like some heavy cloud cover being picked up over Chattanooga and Ringgold, with maybe a little bit more moving through Athens and Loudon, but all that's just not really precipitation. And it looks like, for the most part, our radar is clear. You can see anywhere from Wartburg, Tennessee, down to Chattanooga, down to Coleman and Oneida, and into Gadsden, Alabama. And usually from a southwest to northeast direction, that's where we usually see a lot of severe weather. And as you can see, the radar is clear. And as we dive on in, you will see right now that Saudi Daisy looks good. Chattanooga is looking good. Red Bank, Whitwell, Rudy Leaguer, and it does point that Altamont looks good as well. And then moving further east and north into Knoxville and surrounding areas, things looking good there as well. As a matter of fact, as I switch sources here and go into the Tennessee radar in Knoxville, you'll see that really you'll see that we're on the clear side of things right now as well. So really not a whole lot going on. If there is, there is maybe a couple of spotty showers across East Tennessee and parts of southwest East Tennessee. All in all, that's really all radar is picking up. It's just a few spotty to occasional showers. And so not really a whole lot going on at the moment. I do want to switch horses and go into the latest weather feeds right now from the National Weather Service. There is a flood watch that is going on for the eastern Tennessee Valley, and I will show you that real quick here in a few minutes. There is a flood watch as well as a winter storm watch. Waiting for my computer to upload. And again, as you can see, here's that flood watch issued for Morgan County, Scott County, Campbell County, Claiborne County, Hawkins County, Hancock County. All these counties here are currently under a flood watch, which means there is the potential for 1 to 3 inches of heavy rainfall. There is the potential for heavy rainfall of 1 to 3 inches to cause flooding in low-lying areas. So if you're within this flood watch, please note that you may need to move to higher ground as soon as this rain starts moving in and becomes heavy at times. Now, here's a look at tonight's forecast. Look for an 80% chance, anywhere from a 40% chance to an 80% chance of showers, mostly increasing from southwest to northeast, just south of I-40, and then working its way off in the northeast, as lows tonight will hang anywhere from 40 to 45 degrees. So everything is looking a-okay. There is a flood watch for the plateau, once again anywhere from West Virginia down and through parts of east southeast Kentucky, and then it looks like maybe along the plateau a flood watch is in effect there. while a freezing rain is advisory is in effect for a portion of Boone, North Carolina, and all the way in through parts of the Smoky Mountains. Now, as we go back to the west, working its way back to the west, there is a winter weather advisory, and that is in effect for Fentress County, Cumberland County, as well as parts of the Clay County area. Now, as I zoom on in the latest advisories and watches here, you'll also see that not only the winter weather advisory, but there's also a winter storm watch that has been issued, and this is mainly for 3 to 6 inches of snow with freezing rain and sleet to impact the area as well. So 3 to 6 inches of snow is possible within the winter storm watch, and this goes through noon Wednesday until noon on Thursday. So that's about what the half of everything is right now. It looks like I will show you the 5-day forecast here in a few minutes and give you an idea of what's going on with the 5-day outlook. Here's the latest weather prediction map here. As you can see, we do have a stationary boundary that's going to bring rain and a few thunderstorms tonight past midnight across parts of the Tennessee Valley and including parts of the Mid-South. Tomorrow, that rain and thunderstorm chance moves a little bit more further north with flooding and flash flooding possible along the northern plateau. And then for day 3, this is day 3's map. It looks like we could see an ugly wintry mix for parts of the Alabama, Mississippi area on into some parts of the Smoky Mountains, while it appears that just rain and a few thunderstorms may dot portions of the valley. So hopefully that's the case, because me and my wife has got some important things that we would like to do. Again, expect a few showers, a couple of thunderstorms along southeast Tennessee, and that will be again through midnight tonight on in through the day tomorrow. We'll see some scattered showers and a couple of thunderstorms. Nothing too significant, just really some heavy rainfall, some thunder activity, and a little bit of lightning going on with that as well. So, and it's going to be all along this warm front, so nothing too harmful about that. Now, further off toward the west, we have a cold front that's going to scoot on in across parts of the Midwest, and that's going to bring a chance for some showers and a few thunderstorms in and throughout the region. Now, as we go into the extended forecast for Tuesday, that warm front will start lifting its way through the Ohio Valley. Anything cold looks like that as the warm air sets over, rain is going to turn into some snow and a wintry mix, while it does appear that the warm front that moves through the Tennessee Valley will produce some showers and thunderstorms, and looks like maybe some super cold activity going on here. So I won't be surprised to see a few of these thunderstorms produce some small hail. Now, Tuesday night, the warm front will be moved completely over the Tennessee Valley and moving through the Ohio Valley. And again, looks like it's going to be pretty unsettled the next couple of days. And I'm not really expecting too much of a change from that. And it looks like our next storm system will bring in and usher in some cold air behind the following warm front. Now, Thursday, things looking a bit more on the dry side. Looks like maybe some gusty winds coming in, and it's going to be clearing all of that nasty weather we've been dealing with for a while out of the Tennessee Valley. So hopefully that's some good news for you. And again, not really a lot of problems right now, just radar showing some showers, a couple of little light showers there. Looks like the heaviest amount of rain right now appears to be over the Newport area, and that activity is moving east. It looks like it's going to be moving through south of Newport, and it will approach South Newport at about 12:30, and then if it holds its track, it looks like north of Hartford at somewhere between 12:30 and 1 a.m. So it's going about 15 to 25 miles per hour, even if that. So some scattered showers now. Look for those showers to increase as we go into the next few hours, even past midnight tonight. There are no twistcast areas alert for tonight or tomorrow. Things looking pretty clear for there. I'm not seeing any instability that regards the threat for strong or even severe storms. However, I will keep an eye on that and let you know what's going on should that change. And the extended forecast, no, I don't want to save that. Here's the extended forecast for the rest of the night. Look for some rain to increase after midnight tonight. We've seen a high of 56 today. My cousin Raven Southern said she actually seen about 57 for the high in her area. Look for a low about 40 to 45 tonight. We're right there now. And again, some showers moving through about after midnight tonight. Tuesday, showers, couple of those rumbles of thunder. Tuesday night, showers, rumble of thunder possible. Then Wednesday, temperatures turn just a tad bit cooler as we start to see those temperatures drop for overnight lows into the 20s. And also looks like near steady or slowly falling temperatures as temperatures will drop way down with a chance of snowfall coming into the forecast. And it looks like going into next week, finally things will start clearing out and we'll start warming back up. That's a look at the latest weather from Chattanooga Weather Desk. And again, there is a flood watch that's in effect for portions of the Cumberland Plateau.